Hello and welcome. Guys, today we are going to discuss about PM Solar Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, and we'll discuss in detail about its objective, its subsidy amount, its how you can install the panels, and what is the application process and eligibility. So, PM Surya Ghar Yojana, also known as the PM Muft Bijli Yojana, is launched in the year 24-25 budget by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. This initiative aims to help Indian families by providing them with rooftop solar panels at reduced cost. The main goal of PM Muft Bijli Yojana is to increase solar energy at an easier and cheaper cost. Solar energy is clean and renewable source of power, though through this scheme government will provide a subsidy on solar rooftop. So up to 300 units of you can get free electricity, and the support contact for is the toll free number 15555, and its official website is pmsuryagar.government.in. So its objective is to promote renewable energy and to promote renewable and green energy, encourage the use of solar energy instead of electricity, helping to protect the environment, to help families save their electricity, to reduce carbon footprints, create jobs, provide employment opportunities for people who install and maintain solar panels, and improve energy security, make the countless dependent on traditional power sources by diversifying energy production. So these are its objectives. So let's discuss about its benefits of PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. First of all, it's a financial saving. Families can save money by using free solar electricity from their rooftop panels. They can also sell any extra electricity back to the grid for additional income. So the next is support electric vehicle. Extra electricity can be used to charge electric vehicles, which is cost effective and eco friendly. Job creation. So, provide an employment opportunities for people who install and maintain solar power. Reduce government spending. The government can save money by reducing the demand for electricity from the national grid, allowing for better use of resources in other areas. Environmental benefits. Using more solar energy reduces reliance on fossil fuels, lowering carbon emissions and environmental impact. Enhance energy security. Decentralizing power generation with solar panels make the country's energy supply more secure and less prone to failures. So now we'll discuss about its eligibility criteria. So first of all, your residential status will be checked. Applicant must be residents of India. Home ownership. Applicant must own a home with a suitable roof for solar panels. Applicant must have an active electricity connection to integrate the solar panels with the power grid. No previous subsidies. Applicants who have already received subsidies for solar panels from other schemes are not eligible. Now let us discuss subsidy. The government provides a significant financial subsidy for households with up to 2 kilowatt capacity can receive a subsidy of rupees 30,000 per kilowatt for installation. For additional capacity, a lower subsidy of rupees 18,000 per kilowatt applies for installation exceeding 2 kilowatt up to 3 kilowatt, and the total subsidy, a system larger than 3 kilowatt will receive a total subsidy of rupees 78,000. Group housing societies and residents welfare association will receive a subsidy of rupees 18,000 per kilowatt for capacities up to 500 kilowatt. So likewise, this is subsidy charts. For average monthly consumption, you can apply for plant capacity 1 to 2 kilowatt, for which you will get about 30,000 to 60,000 subsidy. And between 150 to 300, you can go for 2 to 3 kilowatt plant, in which you will get 60,000 to 78,000, and greater than 300 above 3 kilowatt you have to install, and for which maximum subsidy is up to 78,000. So how can you apply? Here the steps. So first you have to visit the official website of the pmsuryaghar.gov.in and start the application, enter your details, provide contact information. After visiting the website, follow the simple step as given in the website, apply for solar rooftop, and here the steps are given already. Register in the portal first by selecting your state, district, and your electricity distribution company. So here are the Indian states available, like all the states are listed: Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Assam. So I'll select my state, Gujarat. So here's Gujarat, and here I select the stick button, and from here Pashim Gujarat Bijli. So enter your consumer number and then log in with your mobile number, apply for the rooftop. Once you get the feasibility approval, get the plant installed, and once the installation is completed, submit the plant details and apply for net meter. Commission certificate will be generated from the portal after installation of net meter inspected by Discom. Once you get the commissioning report, submit the bank account details and a cancel check to the portal. You will receive your subsidy. So this is it. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share this channel. Thank you.